Alright, yo, what's up? Yo, if you're watching me live on YouTube right now, and you can hear me, say something in the chat room, please. Alright? I'm trying to test this out to make sure everything's working fine. You know what I mean? So, if y'all comment and stuff like that, will let me know all the way everything is and that kind of thing.
one, and no confusion. So it and so it and favorite. Bluffing, Connie that can't nothing. Upon them regular, them face get thumping. That up, no ink no going. Sick come out them, I say look so disgusting. Bumpy was the better, plus a bump smack, hate them up, but listen. Boy, this a shot a touching. Nice a make the AK do the ocean. Them fall like Humpty Dumpty. No care which part of where fire go out him. Yeah, alone me know if you do the mountain. Who them have to fucks? Who are we love me, never stop. Who are the jersey can back? They are ready in the black. Step out like that. He's a rap. But once he say I know, see them a socks. How a world and get a facts. They shot them danger, but they need a shot. Do the dirt and no socks. When they play about and a wax. Shell them out, we don't let the scraps. Can't take like how we get me in our ox. Pass me in the boss.
Now them a say we rich out with you. We put a Benz on the avenue. We make a scheme look like a Malibu. Me get a bad bitch up in my room and shake up her body like she in a taboo. Tell us how we full up a broom. Tell us how me in my mood. And you know how this the good. Time must stay on the line every minute. 24/8 on the dial, yeah, we did it. Just wake up and I look on the city with two pretty feeling in my room while we living now. Making the cash, that's how it's supposed to go. Girl, you can't know my friends, I wanna know your crew. Ice on the chaser. Me love the vibes, not a place, yeah. Me got girl from Puerto Rico, Costa Rica, and girls from Jamaica. Yeah, we all night living. Not give a fuck about my neighbor. Two we are not the same. Mine and them a play when we are major. Just take a money back. Just make a million. Me clothes are Italiano. Pulsi and Gabbana. Straight out of Milano. And just make a million. Just take a money back, yo. Me like some more incense, but the buckle line is me, I'm a boring day. Man grind, I get us some housing fence. Every youth want some more big bands, okay? I progress. Look how much youth homeless. Now we stack up the cheese and we no no stress. Couple million to see they think I'm more dead.
Me say a prayer this morning, one bag of chant. Me say a prayer this morning, one bag of chanting. Firm and planted, blessing us to flow like fountain. This morning, one bag of chanting. Morning, me have breath, what me for worry about? Many things me can do without, anything me want, Jaja make it sort out. I feel work, sun a shine till the place dark out, wouldn't call out. What the fuck them a talk about? Hungriness, me nah look, me nah look. Me tell my friends them all about higher life. Yellow wine, carrot drive, dollar sign. Richer than most, carry higher life. Tell you about dollar sign, yeah, yeah. Bigger life. House I feel bills, so with mama nice. Brother never say this is a paradise. Tell you about the higher life, yeah, yeah.
Life, man, I drive, be man now, mama smile. Y'all give me that car wash and I just tire shine. Camera lights, bag of vibes, famous and a lie. Legends cannot die, tell me rolly and no time. Wings probably need service to how man a fly. See things clear like somebody we love carrot eyes. Before car, nothing couldn't stop it drive. Fully brave, we go through it, flames like firefighter. Survive that, we did tell you no we solid and rock. Till we shame cement and steel and black table turn. Just watch, no surprise if you see a cat on my bike back. My gosh, chain them a freeze, no care the time man. Chemist man, I'm in the same way, full of strap, big Ben man, higher than London clock. Cranium.
Higher life, yellow wine, carrot drive, dollar sign. Richer than most, carry higher life. Tell you about dollar sign, yeah, yeah. Bigger life, house I feel bills, so with mama nice. Brother never say this is a paradise. Tell you about the higher life, yeah, yeah. Standing, me standing, you can't stand me. When you see me now, my name and close, I've been grinding. You couldn't dare if you come style me. At this girl bunny ends with dividing. I've been tiling, can't pay me like no piling. No smiling, me I go for my thing. We go for our one, so we go for our one. Higher life, girl I wine, carry drive dollar sign. Richer than most, carry higher life. Tell you about dollar sign, yeah. Bigger life, house of the bills, so we mama nice. But I never say this is a paradise. Tell you about the higher life, yeah.
Levels, levels, I'ma call these levels.
That's crazy.
You ain't there. Don't tell them pay so I move them. Better start with a song. Fast car song. Private jet a song. Diamond chain a worth. House panic. Oh no hard dog clean. That's why I'm a 9 down left. And 9 I stop until my very last breath. Until my whole I wrinkle like shirt one press. Can't tap somebody where God done bless. Now for life, my call your girl obsessed, yeah. How much time, how much time, how much time, how much time? Me have to go shame on no. I just stop at the top, show on the beer levels. All I don't know where you're fighting capable. Like how much time, how much time, how much time, how much time? Shame on no. I don't know love chat, man, I just be a so. I gon' beat to no, but so better be a no. Can't catch up to my pace, can't match up on the lame. Claim on no, I can't win up on a play like that. It have your son on the off it play. We had the flame on the go tell it begin. And every time on the dawn, we may left on the one years. Every style and we bring on the back copy and paste. But you have no every sound, not just wait till the next verse me in a barrier. I will know how much time, how much time, how much time, how much time. Me have to go shame on no. I just stop at the top, show on the beer levels. All I don't know where you're fighting capable. Like how much time, how much time, how much time, how much time. Shame on us, I don't know love chat, man, I just.
Yo, chat, what's up, bro? What's up? What's up?
What's up, chat? What's up, chat?
Who that? Who that? Who that? Oh, that's Gemini.
No.
Oh. Oh, what's up? I never know you was there. Join my team Discord. Join my team Discord. I'm gonna leave this one. Sorry.
Okay.
Alright. Yo, my stream was bugging, so I gotta trying to see if it's working. I've been trying to stream since last night, but it's been killing me. What you doing though? You good? Alright, cool. I want to ask you for a favor.
Do you want money, my soul, my head? What's up?
Nah, I don't want money, and I definitely don't want your soul. Yo, stand up, bro. What's up, bro? Welcome to the chat, my guy. I want to ask if you could make a promotion video for me.
Say what?
A promotion video.
You want me to make a video?
Yeah.
I can barely record my feet.
You could barely record your feet. Perfect. Perfect time to practice.
What about a white dude?
No, I need a female prosthetic. Yes. I want a female to do it.
Just send me the details.
Alright. Can you join?
Join?
Yeah. You could join, bro. Sorry. I see you send me a friend request. Yes, you could join. My bad. Can you hear me? Can you hear me by the way? Stan, can you hear me in the chat? Okay. All right. Cool. All right. Thank you guys for the follow. Yo, guys, I'm streaming in YouTube. I'm streaming in TikTok, and I'm streaming in Twitch. If you guys want to play, all you guys gotta just drop me a follow. Right, and join up. You could hear both of us perfect. Nice. If you guys want to join the Discord chat, you guys can. All right. yo, do you need a striker? Right now, I need players. I need players to just play. I'm gonna be rotating players based on the way you guys play, right? So yes, to answer that question, I do need a winger. I need a winger and I need a cam to start, right? I need a right winger and I need a cam. I'm gonna change this formation. Stan, just don't go on the pitch, Stan. Just back off the pitch for a second, please. But the link expire. I need to send you a new link. I'm gonna send a new link in the chat for those who want to join the Discord. Yeah, Gemini. I miss you, Gemini. I know you've been busy. I know you went out and stuff like that. I was not around for a couple days, but you know the league start tomorrow, right? I never even signed yet because you haven't been around to let me sign you. Gemini, you heard me?
Just mark me up whenever you're ready.
I'm gonna sign it. I gotta sign it today to the league games today. I'm gonna send a Discord. Can you send a Discord link in the chat for me, Gemini, on TikTok, please? Thank you. I appreciate it. Alright, that's the Discord link. Whenever you guys join the Discord chat, just make sure that you guys are verify the channel to join, alright? We call it Manuel. You just need to basically join the club, bro. Gemini, you don't need a transfer, right, Gemini?
I think I do.
You do? Let me go accept.
Yeah,
In the club?
I'm on Ultimate Team right now. Me and Ross been playing Ultimate Team, and he's helping me.
Oh, yeah, that's my boy. Yeah, he told me that y'all was playing COD earlier, but I just never get a chance to join.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me see if I could invite you, just in case you need it. Damn, I don't even see your name on my friend list. Alright. Alright, when you guys join the Discord, you guys just need to click on verification, chat. Verification, that's it. Again, you guys don't need to be in the party, right? But if you guys want to be in the party and want to talk to me, you guys are welcome to join. Alright. Yo, can I join up? Yo, show the club name. Oh, I got you. Yo, Leo, drop me a follow, broski. You gotta drop me a follow to play, Leo. Let me change the formation from now, so I don't waste any time. Thank you, broski. Drop me a follow on Twitch too, bro. Stan, go right, Stan. Go right. Gemini playing left.
Yo, I want to show you a clip. I'm gonna send you.
Let me go get my phone. My phone is in the next room. Hold on. I'll be. My camera is off right now. Everyone join up, bro. Actually, they can be one, yeah. And then Leo, if you play for stadium, all backland.
Every man want on you in a girlfriend, but you coulda want up cause you got wealth. Baby, them a stand a chance. Bugger man want she run it like marathon, but she know say we cool like avalanche. Wish we coulda meet and we have a dance. Maybe book a flight go to Panama. Oh, we see a big spot in the media. I question myself if I see that. Real boss, you a leader. Words from Akil and Adija. Baby, you're so popular. Gotta go hate you, but man, I feel love. Everybody like your picture. I wanna meet you so much it hurts. Baby, you're so popular. Gotta go hate you, but man, I feel love. Everybody like your picture. I wanna meet you so much it hurts. Everywhere you go, a bag of man, I look you. Some I send the money, them and look a boobs out when you wake. Up a man in as usual. Tell a bag of message in your inbox. Man, I send the flowers under your window. Pastor get it and say hallelujah. You know wait, see the deacon a run come. Tell you something good that everybody wants up. Bag of man want she run it like marathon, but you know say we cool like avalanche. Wish we coulda meet and we have a dance. Maybe book a flight go to Panama. Oh, we see a big spot in the media. I question myself if I see that. Real boss, you a leader. Words from Akil and Adija. Baby, you're so popular. Gotta go hate you, but man, I feel love. Everybody like your picture. I wanna meet you so. Baby, you're nice and clean. Baby, you're nice and clean. Baby, you're nice and clean. You girl, make money every day. But if you know, money ignite the world. Money make my dream come true. Let me love it anyone, me girl. I forget a night. One love, let's get together and feel alright. Hear the children crying.
Wait, never mind. If you take puppet, can you accept me? Club is open to the friend, bro. Everyone could find the club. The club is open to friend. Rami Guzman, on. Yo, Alex, what's up, bro? Thank you for the follow, bro. I appreciate you, bro. Welcome to the stream, my guy. Welcome to the stream. If y'all trying to play some club, just drop me a follow. Yo, Leo, go Cam. You gotta go Cam, bro. Gemini playing you gotta go CDM or Cam. Or go CDM because Maxwell playing Cam, so you gotta go CDM. Gemini playing left wing. Yo, Leo, go yeah. Gemini, where you at? Are you ready? If you're not ready, I'm gonna make Leo play left wing.
I'm coming. I was just recording there.
Oh, let me see what you send me.
First, I have to learn how to send the clips to my phone via conversation. But yeah, it's a lot of clips. It's your fault for not teaching me, but still, we're not gonna talk about this.
It's my fault. I'm gonna teach you. Hi, Leo. Johnny, wagwan, Johnny. Alright. Yo, where are you guys from? Yo, Leo, where you from, Leo? Where you guys from? Stan, where you from? Stan, Max, where you from? Maxwell, where you from? Quickly, quickly. I don't want to have captain. That's what I'm asking. Yeah, I'm playing clubs. I'm playing clubs. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Alright, ready? Alright, I'm gonna start this game, guys. Yo, Sim, are you trying to play? You gotta join it. You gotta join the club quickly if you can, broski. Yo, Wagwan, bro. I'm gonna start it. What's the overall rating, bro? If you're 82, 81, you can't play with me, bro. You gotta be at least 87, 88, bro. But there's no way someone should be 81 at this time of the FIFA, bro. Yo, can I be a goalkeeper? You gotta drop me a follow, yo. You gotta drop me a follow. Alright, if you could join the club before final match, I'll let you in. Let's join the club. The name of the club is TikTakClassroom, bro. I'm gonna give you a minute. I'm gonna give you 1 minute to get in the lobby. That's the name of the club right in the stream. What do you mean? What do you mean, bro? What do you mean by that voltage? I don't know why I keep... Bro, come on, bro. You already know that these guys not. This is what is frustrated, bro. Because you understand that these guys is not gonna do whatever it takes, bro, to make sure this shit work, bro. You already know that it's me, you, or Bredda. It's either me, you, and Bredda and Kappa is gonna let it work, bro. These guys are only gonna do shit if I say them to do shit, bro. You understand? And I recognize that what's needed done, they can't do it, so I'm gonna just do it myself, bro. It's to me, it's like it's not important to waste energy talking to these guys, bro. We don't make no sense, bro. Anything that needs to be done, bro, is either gonna be me, you, and our Brad, bro, or Kappa, bro. That's it, bro. I'm trying to find different ways to get the advertisement flowing and all those extra stuff, bro. Not because I'm not visual like that, bro. I'm working behind the scenes, bro. You know that, bro. Fuck them, fuck that, bro. I don't need them, bro. I really don't need them, bro. I don't. All the person I need is just you, me, and Brad, and that's it, bro. And the community, bro. That's it. I'm not gonna waste energy with these guys with nothing like that, bro. I'm keeping it real, bro. I'm gonna start it, bro. Cause the website was down, bro. You stepped up and you fix it, bro. If the Discord is down, Brad is gonna step on and fix it, bro. Understand? All of us doing what we need to do, bro. We can't waste energy with these people. That's not gonna help, bro. Real talk, bro. Go and this shit pop off and take and go to the places where they go. Niggas can't come to me and ask me for nothing. I'm gonna tell them to fuck off respectfully, bro. I'm just keeping it real, bro. You said it already, and I agree with you. What you said, I totally agree with you, bro. Chat, I'm not a real bad man, chat. I'm just a real G, chat. I'm just keeping it honest as possible. I'm keeping it honest, and people don't like my honesty, bro. I don't give one fuck, chat. I'm keeping it real, bro. Can I play? Can you play? Yes, sir, you could play. Yes, you could play, man. Just join up for next game, man. Voltage, I've been trying every way to get a team to replace that team and I can't find it. No, that's what I'm trying to say to you. I was not missing. I was busy working trying to find a team to replace that team, bro. If you see my inbox, the top of my inbox it's a traffic light, bro. My inbox has been going crazy, bro. I can't be all up in the Discord when I see y'all. I gotta be finding a team to replace that team, bro. And I fail, bro. MIA don't mean I'm not doing shit, bro. That mean I'm doing shit, bro. That's what that means, bro. Oh.
My name is Derek Ray, and I'm joined for commentary by the former Arsenal and West Ham.
Come on, guys, let's do it. Well, let's do it.
And it's going to be fascinating to see how these two sides. Genuine chance.
Oh, these AI is just it's sickening.
Good through ball.
Right on the floor, Gemini. Right there. Good ball.
Nothing came of it.
Ooh. Good try.
Don't worship the ball.
Come on, chat. Let me see what Vulture said. So Voltage, what we gotta do, Voltage? We gotta take that team out, right?
Go.
Yeah, I'm going. I'm offside.
Yeah, that's all.
Like, you could just, pass it in my direction where I'm running. Don't try to pass it to my feet. That makes sense?
Yeah.
So, Voltage, what's gonna happen? Hold on.
Set it up.
Can I get there?
Vasiliev.
Nice.
And in the right position to make sure it didn't go all the way
No.
through.
No, it's just too long. I'm kidding.
Ray. Could be troublesome.
He's offside.
And offside it is.
I'm waiting for
Come on, chat. Let's lock in. Can you play? Yes, sir. Let's join the club and shit like that.
And teammates around him.
1-2. Good try.
No.
They dealt with the threat posed.
Nice.
Hassan.
Great take that.
I bet you. Yo,
I thought he was going for the ball. He stopped.
we just need to take our time, bro. We're all new playing with each other, so we all take our time to understand what's going on.
Sakamoto.
Not everyone should be a pass, bro. You could just let someone run, right? Just to try to see if you could get a better pass for a different player.
Defensive clearance.
got that.
Box to the.
An attack full of promise.
Ooh, try.
That's a very fine piece of tackling.
See them is right there. See, I'm trying to tell you that it does.
Well, threat over for now. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end.
Right, wide.
Promising position, this.
I'm ready with you. Nice.
Give me now. Give me now.
Who's behind you?
Shoot it.
Decent position.
Wrong person got the right. Through the pass.
Morozov.
Bro, you're never gonna get the ball like that, bro. Yellow, you gotta find a way to get open, bro.
Oh, that pass.
Run on the wing for the
Why do I do this to myself over there?
They could nudge in front.
Yo, that mistake came from Yellow, bro.
Broken through. 1-0 here. So the action continues, and City looking to offer a swift response to that setback.
Take it back.
To me.
Go. We locked on.
And the perfect position to read it.
I'm right through, right. Bro, I was
Over the
right
top.
there. You pushed the ball so far.
City have possession once more. Varos.
You offside.
Chance to cross. Someone latch onto it.
Bro, oh, I was about to say, yo. Why you still stand?
Turning out to be.
Good ball.
I would have just said, pro, get off the pitch. Because what?
Alright, come on. You know I was gonna score that. That was a beautiful pass.
You took forever. You was like, oh, wait, what?
I never expect you to pass it, but I just know I gotta finish it. Good pass.
And very nicely positioned to win it
Blue, I'm
back.
right here. Oh, against her.
Right
Nice,
on the mark.
nice. Turn around, give him.
Yeah, given the
Turn and
position he
give.
found himself in,
Stop.
he really
He's running
should be
with you.
testing the keeper. Superb opportunity squandered.
Got this. Nice.
Box to you, broski. It's like, I want you guys. The name of the club is Tiki Taka, bro. Just understand the name of the club, bro. When I get the ball, just know what's gonna happen, bro. I'm gonna pass it, bro. Jesus Christ.
From here, just couldn't get it through.
I'm up here. You can.
That's a nice dribble.
Excellent referee.
Just dribble. You,
Oh.
dribble,
You
dribble.
got the ball.
And young boys giving it away.
1-2 with by me and then get it back, Gemini.
He took it off here. But nice. Blue, take it.
Nice. Box of blue right there. Alright, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine.
That is that for the first half here.
It's kind of laggy on your stream. But why, bro, I fixed that and now it's still laggy again. I don't understand it, bro. I see what you guys saying. It's lagging, but I fix it.
half gets underway. Almost a case of the two teams saying to each other, whatever you can do, I can do just as well.
Go back to the stadium. Nice.
And Ray with it.
Come on. Give it to him.
Still passing it around with authority. How about the cross?
Again. That's an X. That's an X. Don't lose it. Like when you receive that ball, just press X instantly, bro.
Bro.
And it's with John. It's opening up for them.
Why you give it back to me? Why me? Hey.
It's a promising City move.
Cut back, cut. Nice.
To win back possession.
My bad, Gemini.
And now Ribeiro. Nagai.
Nice.
That's useful play. Into the area here. Can he take this chance? Element of risk there.
Gemini, yours. Gemini, yours. Get to the cam. Now. You take too long.
Pressed it how long? It kept running off my phone. I literally pressed it. I literally said I see him. I pressed it. The thing didn't come over my head. I don't know. Probably have to change controls.
City pushing forward with options available.
You got this.
Back to me. Go. Ah. Oh no, I missed that. Good pass.
Opportunity here for them to get their noses in front from the corner.
Well, this is a big moment, and don't these fans know it?
Short corner taken.
Good try, Cedia.
With the ball.
Yeah, it's lagging so bad, bro. I could see the way it's lagging, bro.
Nagai.
I don't even understand. It's not even lagging like that on my end. I don't know what to do to fix it.
The chance they could get caught out on the break here.
Damn, I was running. No.
Sorry, sorry.
Bro, I almost called it, bro.
No, I just that's a bad pass from my end.
Sakamoto.
Yeah, bro, but
He's
you
in a
must
position
call
of
it,
menace here.
bro. Awesome.
Well, it came to nothing in the
Someone
end.
asked for it, yeah.
The referee
I run.
correctly decided to
Bro,
play
she's
it
pro.
back.
Nice. I'm offside.
But the flag goes up. It's offside.
Well, he has to be more aware there. He must know he's in an offside position.
Yeah, they're coming to the side. Good try.
Nagai. Hassan. Promising possession, this. Will it be? Hands away by the keeper.
Nice.
Referee is given a corner. It's a short one.
The name of the club is TikTakClassroom, bro.
It's one corner after another.
TikTakClassroom. TIKCAK Classroom, all one word.
And short it is. The cross goes in. Closing down.
Oh, so lucky.
How did he get back the ball?
He called for it. That's the way you get it. The ball went to his player and then he just pressed
Lock in,
X
guys. Lock in, bro.
and then he called for it.
And it's a narrow 2-1 lead as things stand.
Pro. I'm running with you.
Maros.
Oh, I was asking for the
Now
ball.
she's made a crucial tackle.
Stop asking for it. Just wait for the ball to come to you. When we ask for it, when the ball comes to you, you're gonna press pass.
Hassan.
No, I was asking you. I didn't know you was passing it back to him.
No, that's what I'm trying to say to you. You don't gotta ask me for it. I'm gonna give it to you.
Ray.
Pro run. Who's blue with you?
Feeding it through.
Run blue.
They just couldn't stay in front. And now this match is all square.
Yes, guys.
So underway again at 2-2. Hassan.
Yeah. Ah, my bad,
Oh,
bro.
right here.
Yeah.
Come on, chat. Let's lock in.
Goalkeeper has to hit the target. It's not a good attempt. Plenty of support here.
Use the AI. Just use the AI to get open.
Ooh, I was right behind you.
Mr. Cam, when you turn and give me. Never mind. Take your time. Just take your time, Gemini. Penalty.
Ooh,
Well done.
penalty.
I stole that. I stole that. I don't care. I stole that. I literally stole that. I don't care. I really don't care.
Alright, let's go. Did you just make an AI take the shot?
I was trying to give it to yellow. My bad. I was trying to give it to yellow. That was crazy.
Goal scored.
Oh my god. Nope. That's ridiculous. I saw Ray and I was like, oh, that's it. That's him.
Bro, how did you miss that?
Wait.
Take your time, Jim.
Yeah.
1-2 inside. 1-2 inside. 1-2 inside. Oh, that's the stupid play.
You still have it. You still have it. No.
That's my fault. No, that's my fault.
Bro! Oh, I was about to say he's not offside. Bro was running from the goal.
Come to you.
Stay with me. There is. Nice, there is. Bye!
To increase their advantage. And will that be the goal that ends up securing it for them?
Well, here we can see it again, and it starts with the ball over the top, perfectly weighted, and there's certainly no doubt about the finish. He really hits it with power and accuracy. Nothing the keeper can do about that.
Chat, I'm gonna watch a video chat to figure out how to fix that because the stream is really bad. I don't even understand how you guys still here watching me. It don't make no sense because if that was me, I would leave long time ago. I gotta go watch a video or something. Good game, goal. GG's.
Yeah.
Let me put a video on real quick.
Well, Derek, they were dominant in most aspects of the game, particularly that midfield area, and they also got threatening in the top third of the pitch. It's a really good result for them.
I did good in CDM. I can't say from the first game, to be honest, because I was doing bad, bro. Fix OBS Studio login and stuttering. Can I fix it while I'm live streaming though? Hold on, chat. Give me a second. Let me see if I could fix this. Give me a minute, guys. 1 minute. Two guys, not 1 minute. Give me like 4 minutes.
Instead of your graphics card. Then we need to come down to
Right now, bro. Right now, my beat rate is at 60,000, bro. Hold on, bro. Oh my God. Let me test my internet speed for a second, chat. Hold on. This is crazy. I gotta test my internet speed. Yo, anybody that needs to join the club from now, bro. Let me go back in the match lobby from now. Chat, my internet speed is, bro, my internet speed is 100 and just say 195 megabit per sec. Wait, hold on. My download speed is 195, 193. Yes. And then my Mbps upload speed is 13.7. Is that bad, chat? Any space? Yeah, there's space, bro. Chat, is that bad? Is my upload speed bad? Your internet connection is very fast. Let me see what the video was saying. Yo, Leo, give me a second, Leo.
Mode at the top here to advanced, then come down to video and studio, and then from here we're going to come into final settings, and we're just going to optimize some of our settings inside of here. I come in first to this output option, and the first thing we need to do is change this output mode at the top here to advanced, then come down to video encoder, and you want to make sure this video one is selected.
So how do I change? I can't change that to advanced.
To utilize this for running from your CPU instead of your graphics card.
Hold on, bro.
Come down to these encoder settings, hand rate control should always be set to CPR, and in order to adjust this bit rate, we first need to check.
Yo, chat, give me a second. Can you guys join? Yes, bro. You could join. Just drop me a follow. Bro. You guys just gotta drop me a follow to play. The name of the club is right there, guys. Just join up. Just drop me a follow and join up, guys. I'm trying to figure out what to do to fix this. Is cam open? I don't know if cam is open. I don't know where the rest of the guys went that was playing me last game. Are you guys still in here? Where the rest of the people at? Who's in Discord? Voltage is in Discord. All right. I don't know where they at. Oh, Biggs, I forgot to do, bro. I forgot, Biggs. To be honest, I forgot. I'm gonna take care of that today, bro. Scotty could play Scotty could play what you call it, right mid for now, bro. I don't know if cam is open, Scotty. Come on, are you guys ready? Join up, join up, join up. Oh. Is my stream still logging, chat? Chat, is my stream still logging? Alright, come on, Leo. I'm up on. Gemini, let me get captain. Yo, Leo, come on. Alright, Scotty, you could go cam, Scotty. It is not working. What's not working? What's not working? What's not working, Shane? But search for the you gotta put everything on any, bro. You gotta put everything on any. Everything. You gotta put everything on any, broski. You gotta make sure that when you're searching for the club, all the settings and everything go on any. If you won't find it. That's you? I guess that's you. Yeah, yo, Chelsea's gonna win the Premier League, okay? I just want to make it clear that Chelsea FC is gonna win the Premier League.
Bradley's. Oh my god. Oh, Brad's here.
Scotty, why the fuck you laughing, bro? Yo, Toxic, can you help me?
Brad's here. Hey.
Are you Toxic? Can you help me, bro?
So, what are you doing? Are you streaming on TikTok and Twitch?
It's not the stream. It's not where I'm streaming causing it, bro. It's OBS, bro. God was the login before.
I think it's OBS. I think it's OBS though.
I think the setting of my OBS was wrong. You see my internet speed?
Yeah, but that ain't quick. You think that's quick, but that ain't quick.
The playoffs
Oh,
can often be about momentum. Suffice it to say, momentum is very much with them as things stand. Top of the table as they are, and with every intention of remaining right there. Complete coverage is next on EA TV. One of the great things about football is that no one knows for sure what's going to happen. Let's see what unfolds here tonight. I'm Derek Ray, your
Let's go,
commentator,
nation.
and alongside providing all the tactical and technical analysis, it's Stuart Robson. And the stage is set for clubs match action. Stuart, what are your expectations for today?
Well, no doubt about it. They are the best team in the league at the moment. They attack with creativity, they defend with determination, and they have outstanding individuals. They're certainly going to be hard to beat today.
And easily intercepted.
I legitimately just pressed X and he ran left the ball.
Park. Demir. Determined defending. Could be dangerous. And he's apparently veered into an offside position, Stuart.
Well, that's tight, really tight. But he was just too anxious to make his run. He was in though.
Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay.
Fucking hell.
What's up, Brad?
I'm just stretching.
Will he shoot? The fans hope so.
That sounds good.
Able to close down the shot.
Sounds good.
Wasteful from City. Park. Demir. So there might be a threat, but not so in the end. Good defending. Andre with it. Good looking move. Really committed defending. Sadiq. Noble. That's a lovely ball. Really fine piece of defending play to break it up. It's a fierce effort. Oh, it wasn't far away, but above the crossbar. Moving the ball forward, how creative can they be? Can he play it in? Oh, it might be. A goal! He's dispatched it, much to the sheer delight of the fans.
Well, here it is again, and what a perfect cross into the box this is. Just inviting someone to attack it, and then the shot is emphatic. He strikes it with such power, the keeper has no time to react. What a good finish.
Barros. Just knocking it around, looking to carve out a chance. Well, sloppy in possession. City moving the ball forward. What can they do from here?
I'm right back here. I'm right back here. No, right back.
Inability to keep hold of the ball there.
Bradley, come play.
No idea.
Make sure.
Noble.
Make
Well,
sure.
no way through.
Bro. Yeah.
Make sure for it.
Okay.
Damir.
Okay.
Very quick thinking there. Plenty of support here.
I'm running with you. I'm running with you.
Trying to open them up. Good looking move. And collected
Pro.
tidily.
Pro.
He had plenty to think about.
Pro. Pro. Pro.
And it's with Nilsson. This looks promising. But they dealt with the threat posed. And City being afforded too much room. And the post getting in the way.
Ooh.
And in the end, no damage done.
Well, they're so
Oh, so
unlucky not to be level now. It was a great effort. You just wonder if they're going to regret that.
Well, it should boost their confidence, but they can't afford to drop their guard at the other end. Some of the fans are screaming, have a go. Possession lost, intercepted. Beautiful pass. It did look on for them, but not to be. Barros. Might lead to a chance. And the referee blows the whistle. It is a free kick. Excellent strike! Denied by the ball. Back in play here. Well, it came to nothing in the end. And there it is, the half-time whistle. So back underway here into the second half. Dangerous looking attack. Real chance. No way through. book closing down, and now they're on the attack. Can they square the game? And able to close down the shots. A corner, and can City use the set piece judiciously? Electing to cross into the centre. Well, not the easiest of chances. Tightly marked, but not even close in the end. Take it away. Moving the ball nicely, trying to carve out the equaliser. Oh, surely! And it's in! All square again! What a match this is turning out to be! Back underway, level pegging, 1 goal apiece in this game.
Ooh.
Sadiq. Physically strong and secure on the ball. And now with Fernandes. Oh, great vision. And the ball's gone. Andre with it. City move it forward with purpose. Must take the lead here. And they have. You've got to say, it has been coming.
Well, let's look at this again. Well, 1 and 2 touch passing is absolutely outstanding to play around the pressure. And once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique. What an emphatic finish that is.
What a brilliant pass. Delivered into the area here. A routine save. John. Oh, this looks useful. And a goal! They're going to take some stopping now. 2 in front here. Well, it's a tale of 4 goals in this match now. 3-1 it is. Well, a swift challenge and a throw-in coming up. Well, he stopped them in their tracks. And he takes it on. Well, it didn't worry the keeper. Oh, sloppy passing. And just has to remain calm. And it's a double for him in this game. No way for the...
Too easy.